Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Google Slides that can be used for Google Classroom. So to make a Google Slide, you need to open your Google Drive first, and then here at the Google Drive, click on New and find a Google Slides, and then here you can choose whether you want to create a slide from scratch. Just choose a blank presentation, but if you want to use the template provided by the Google Drive, just click on from a template. So I'm going to use the template. So here there are some options that you can use. There is personal use, general presentation, recipe book, and work, and also there is education. So you can just choose one of these, but if it is for Google Classroom, maybe you need to go to the education section and choose one of these. For example, I want to science project. Just click on the template and wait for it to be opened. Okay, so here is the templates. You can just make some edits based on your presentation. For example, here uh, project oops, project 1, and type in your name. For example, okay, and you can also add others materials. You can add your own materials. Here you can just make some edits. You can delete this and type in your material here, and so on. You can edit it on the whole slides, and then you can save it, and later you can present it. You can just click on slideshow and present it in the Google Classroom. Okay, so I think that's all. That is how you can make a Google slide that can be used to Google Classroom. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you get any question, feel free to drop it in a comment, and if you think this video is useful, please don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye!